Rickshaw time, ladies and gentlemen. It is with your host, Rickshaw Eddie, and we're going places. Back there is Pierre Peñol. What do y'all think? With other people, helps the channel grow. And if you want, subscribe, it's free. So I was telling you guys, they got nice restaurants here, nice upbeat stuff for you. Part of the Medellin experience is coming to El Hueco. This is like being in a bazaar in India, like a shore bazaar in Delhi. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here, San Alejo. This is a handicraft market. Oh man, I like the graffiti tour. And guys, where you're hiking in some of these areas, you have beautiful views. Like here, we have a view of the town of Guarne. Don't know. Really don't know. Who knows? Look at how beautiful it is, guys. Medellin's over there and we're in the clouds. Guys, another place here that is good for digital nomads is Cafe Zeppelin. I did the research before and they got good connectivity here. Check out the place. So if you want to work on your computer, on your laptop here in Medellin and got a nice little atmosphere and have fun. Guys, I kid you not, check this out for digital nomads, travelers, expats. Look at that, this building right here, it's awesome. And this is a co-living, co-working space area. If you're a digital nomad traveling the world, this is another reason why Medellin is in that list that I told you about already. So guys, we're here on La 70. This is what it looks like in the daytime. This whole area lights up at night. After 7 p.m. a lot of bars, nightclubs going on, salsa, merengue and everything. One of the awesome things about visiting Colombia, Medellin, Envigado, Sabaneta is this place. It's almost 100 years old. La Tienda de Tocayo, good place to be. Let's go. Guys, it's 20,000 pesos. This is where you buy the tickets per person. That's about $5. We are, guys, if you can look down there, that's the place I told you about, that they got the little cabins in the hotel. And the contact number if you want it is so. Okay, we're here with these girls. Hi girls, what's up? How are you? Aleja, Mari Carmen, Mikey, and we're gonna take a tuk-tuk because we're gonna go on a little boat ride. Here come the girls, even the niñas, they just got here. How do you feel? ¿Cómo se sienten? How do you feel? Super happy?
Yes.
Yeah?